The following some tips and pointers to help the class of 2024 complete their online course request form. This is the class of 2024 core course progression plan. It lets you know, based on what classes you took this year, which classes you should take next year. Now, most juniors will take 4 core classes, which will leave you with 4 elective classes. Some of those elective classes will meet graduation requirements, and some you are just taking for fun. All juniors will need to choose between English 3 or AP English 3 Language and Composition. If you want to dual enroll, you still have to pick either English 3 or AP English 3 so that we know which English you want to take if dual enrollment doesn't work out. Later on the online form, you'll be prompted to put down if you are interested in dual enrolling. You could start this process of dual enrolling now by learning more about it in our curriculum guide. If any of your course requests are semester-long classes, it's important for you to let us know what you want to take the second semester when the class is done. So as this example shows, this student under Class 8 put the code for personal finance. Later in the form, it asks the student if you chose any semester class under Other, put in the code for the class you want to take next semester. So this student clicked Other and put in PE2. Now, if you don't put any semester classes on your course request, that's fine. You would have just chosen I did not list any semester classes. If you don't tell us what you want to take the second semester, we will just fill it with PE. A new addition to our registration process this year are online AP class opportunities. If you would like to take one of these classes next year, there will be a place in this form for you to let your counselor know about it. Make sure you put 1 or 2 study halls into your schedule so that we can put the class that you would like to take on your schedule. Now, this doesn't sign you up to take the online AP class. It just lets your counselor know which classes you might be interested in learning more about. As in previous years, there is a spot on the form for you to put any notes to your counselor that you want us to consider when we're building your class schedule. Make sure you fill in all 8 classes and 3 alternates. The alternates are important because if you have a scheduling conflict or class you pick doesn't work out, we need to know what to put you in. Juniors cannot be teacher's assistants, so do not write that down in any of your choices or in an alternate spot. And also, juniors should not be taking any level 1 CTE classes at this point, only level 2 and above. If you're a new student or there was some kind of problem taking a level CTE 1 class before your junior year, put that in your notes and write that in so that we can take that into consideration when making your schedule. The online course request form is going to open up on January 31st and it'll close at about 3 p.m. on February 14th. So that gives you about 3 weeks to ask as many questions as you need to and talk to teachers, parents, friends about which classes that you should request to take. Then get online and complete the form and get that submitted so that we can make your schedule for next year. As always, if you have any questions, you can reach out to your counselor anytime on Teams or just stop by our table any day at lunch.